Hello everybody, Luke here from Locked On, and let's look how you activate the Spring 2022 campaign. First of all, we're going to go into your properties and we're going to use the advanced find, and we'll search for property dates, and we're going to use the appraisal date. We want to search from the start of the year, so let's go back to January the 1st and we can pick the date to the current date. You can also select any date you would like to target. We're going to hit the apply filter here, and we can see in my account I have 15 properties. We then want to filter to ones that are still just the status appraised, leaving me with 11 properties I have that have not yet been listed throughout this year. The next step is to send them our Spring SMS. We'll click the Send SMS option to target all of these owners, and in the template section we will now type Spring and select the Spring SMS 2022 SMS template that is loaded into your Locked On account, and we can click the update. Now once you're ready to send this, you can pick which agent you want it to send from, or if you're a multi-user office and you want it to send from the assigned agent who is attached to the property, select the dynamic send as assigned. You'll have the ability to send that now, or we can send this later. So if I wanted to send that tomorrow morning at 9 a.m, I can book that in and then confirm how many people it's going to, and then I'll hit send SMS. The SMS is now scheduled to go tomorrow morning. Now phase 2 of the Spring campaign is we will go into the properties database. We will do the exact same find by using the find, property dates, searching appraisal. We'll start from the start of the year again, and we will go until today's date and hit apply. I will then filter to my ones that are still status appraised, and I'm now going to actions, create a hit list, and we're going to call this Spring 2022 calls. We're going to make it a phone call hit list, and a phone call hit list will now turn Locked On into a telemarketing machine. What you'll now have the ability to do is come into your tasks and see the hit list that you have saved. With your Spring hit list, you're able to hit launch, and it will launch the first record you need to call. You'll have all the notes on the screen, and you'll ring Braden and you will speak to him about getting a Spring market update. When you're finished, you'll be able to say if he was unavailable, contacted, or you left a message. Once they're contacted, and you can then move on to the next record, and if the next person was unavailable, you'll move on to the next record. The idea is that you get through all of these calls as quickly as you can, but if you only get through a few today, you can close it off. You'll be able to start Locked On tomorrow morning in your tasks, go to your hit list and see that you've completed 3, you have 8 remaining, and the statuses of the 3 that you've completed. When you're ready to pick it up the next day, simply hit launch and you'll be at the next record that you need to call. Feel free to reach out and let us know how your Spring campaign goes this year. We'd love to hear your results. All the best.